Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Vienna, Austria, and I'm at Mozart's garden. It's a statue done in like 1818 or something, but it's a picture of Mozart. Let's go take a look at it, and I'll show you what it looks like. And it's got musical notes in the flowers, which are really pretty cool. Let's do it. All right, everybody, this is Burggarten, and it's Mozart tour. I don't know, and it says 1818 up there and everything else, but I can't read any of that, and you probably can't either, but it's a garden. So, and it has the statue of Mozart in it, and that's this, and you can see the musical notes right in the middle, which is pretty cool. So you see the musical note there. What is it, a clef? Clef note? I don't know. And so they tend to freak out if you get really close because you end up blocking the pictures. But I'm going to go get close to the Mozart statue anyway. And you can see over here the church, and you can see over here the back of the museum. And then you've got Mozart. And it's pretty cool. I just leveled my camera. So it's pretty amazing. And that's Mozart. Very cool. And I don't know, oh, it's got trumpet and trombone and violin and kids with guitars and tambourine. Oh, little kids kissing. Okay, this has just gone wrong. So Mozart, okay. Anyway, this shows up in the top 4,783 things to see in Vienna. So I figure I better get here and get it done. And so let's do a better picture with the sun right behind it. And there we go. How's that look? It's pretty amazing. Cool. Okay. Well, that's it, everybody. Mozart, I don't think this is his grave or anything. I think it's just a statue for Mozart. So, cool. The building behind it's pretty amazing too, isn't it? Yeah, I thought so too. Okay. Thanks for coming, everybody. Mozart. Bye-bye.